And I'm just going to line these serrated teeth up around the core. These serrated teeth will actually cut around and create rings as I'm twisting it through the pineapple. So I've just lined it up and I'll start twisting. Now if you're trying to cut a pineapple yourself, you'll notice that it's really hard sometimes to get all of the flesh without getting any of those eyes or any of the skin in it. This really ensures that you get the most fruit possible out of every pineapple. Just going to keep twisting until I get close to the bottom. Now I'm going to pull straight up to remove it. And if it doesn't come out right away, just give it a little wiggle. And I'm left with these beautiful pineapple rings. Now if you wanted to, you could actually cut the core out and use the shell for something else. You could use it to serve fruit salad in, for example. Now I'm just going to pop off the top of this and invert it. I've got all of these pineapple rings. If I wanted to, I could cut them in quarters and you just get quarters of fruit, but what I'm going to do is cut straight down one side and I'll be left with these beautiful pineapple rings. And there are my gorgeous pineapple rings.
Do you always find your egg yolks break when frying eggs? Does your egg run around the pan, running into other food items, making it hard to turn? Want to make perfectly round fried eggs? Well, look no further than these fantastic silicone egg rings. All you need to do is place your egg into the ring in the pan and cook. They'll keep your eggs away from other food items that are cooking in the pan, plus they'll give you perfectly rounded eggs every time. They come in a set of 2 and are really easy to clean and store. Made from heat-resistant silicone, you'll make perfectly shaped eggs every time. Do you find yourself struggling to cut pizza? Do you burn your hands or end up losing half of your topping? Pizza cutters can be tricky and dangerous. That's why Clean Easy has the perfect solution with the pizza scissors. The pizza scissors eliminate struggle and cut your pizza easily. It even has a handy serving feature so you'll never drop a piece when serving to the plate again. They're dishwasher safe, making it really easy to clean and much safer to use than a blade.
然后插上苹果，插入的深度要让水果的中心大概在转盘中心的正上方，这样削出来的水果也没有关系。水果在转动了，刀架也同时在移动，刀头靠上来了，切到果皮，开始削皮了，很快吧？大约3秒钟就漂亮解决了一颗苹果，有皮都连成一条。清理起来也很轻松。如果家里还有老人家或幼儿，我们可以继续削果肉来吃，这样就算没有牙齿，也照样可以轻松的吃苹果呢。现在水果